A pleasure to meet all at last, and welcome back to some more HJN Season 3, where today we got ourselves a snowmobile sitting on top of a set of wheels as part of the Rescue Team series of Hot Wheels, Snowstormer. Essentially, almost like a bit of a rip-off of Rescue Heroes, which apart from Fisher-Price and all that, has had itself its own inclusion of media, just like what Mattel has done with Hot Wheels. So, I mean, I don't really know if this is supposed to be a growing trend or whatnot, where they seem to cross paths with each other and whatnot, but if these toy companies of all sorts happen to come together as one, like the ultimate Voltron, perhaps, I suppose it could be epic or it could be the exact opposites. You never quite know for sure, but if you want to see more, go down to my channel, then make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and stay on the Hollywood side.